Alright guys, so to start, let's open up idle, which is the Python shell. And then we'll click on File, New File, and now we can start writing our program. A regular expression is a search tool that can be used to target specific values or a variety of different values within a string or database. There are four main functions that can be used with regular expressions. The first one is find all. The second one is search. The third one is split. And the fourth one is sub. We'll run through all of these in this video. To use regular expressions, we have to import the library. So we say import re. We'll start by assigning a string to a variable. So we can say text equals I am happy today because it's sunny outside. And that's our string. The find all function will find a specific word or phrase within our string. For instance, we can use the find all function to find all the letters of E within our string. So we can say x equals re, which is the regular expression library, dot find all, which is a function in that library, open bracket, e, comma, and then the variable that we wanted to search. Now, instead of printing the letters out, we're going to say print length of x. So it will tell us specifically how many values of e there are in the text variable. So if we run this, as you can see, it's printed the number 4, as there are 4 letters of e in the string. Let's delete the find all function. The regular expression library has special formulas to find specific items or characters within a sentence. This part is the formulas that you just have to learn. Think of it as Microsoft Excel. You have to learn the formulas on there to be able to use it. I will link the cheat sheet to the formulas down below, and you can go through these and experiment with them in your own time. We can use the search function to see if a specific word or phrase is contained within our string. To do so, we can say x equals re.search, open bracket, we say r, which stands for return, quotation mark, and then we can say bs, close quotation mark, and then the variable that we wanted to search. It will search the text variable to see if any words start with an uppercase S. If we run our program, you'll be able to see that it's found a match at characters 29 to 30, and the match is an uppercase S. This is because the word Sonia has started with an uppercase S. We'll delete this. Next, the split function returns a list where the string has been split. For instance, we can use the split function to split the string at each whitespace character. I will show you what I mean by that by saying x re.split, open brackets, and then use the sequence \s, then we'll say comma, and the variable that we wanted to target. And now we can print x. Let's run our program. As you can see, it's now split our string into individual words wherever there was a white space. So let's delete this. Finally, the sub function replaces any matches with a text of your choice. So we can say x equals re.sub, and then we use a special sequence called \s, which will basically target any whitespace characters. And wherever there are any whitespace characters within our string, we can replace those whitespace characters with the word of our choice. So let's say grr. So whenever there's a whitespace, we will now be growling. And then let's write our string name that we wanted to target, close brackets. Let's print x to see the results. And now, as you can see, it's replaced each whitespace character with the word grew. So it's I grew, am grew, happy grew, etc. So this concludes a basic introduction on regular expressions. Just remember that it will take a little bit of research to understand all the special sequences, meta characters, and sets that you can use. But once you know them, it's a really powerful tool at your disposal, especially if you're in data science or a similar field. If you would like to see more on Python, please check out my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.